2025 is well and truly underway. Welcome back everyone to Menace in the Monk. हमारा ये जो नया सीरीज है विश लिस्ट विद कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स उनके क्लब्स के लिए is going on, and we have Daksh with us. Of course, he's going to speak about Arsenal. First of all, Daksh, wishing you a very happy new year. कैसा है bro? How's the
All
start of the
good,
year?
bro. Yeah. Happy New Year to both of you as well, and everyone watching. कैसे हो? Yeah, भाई, all of us different cities. अच्छा, मेरा तो भाई बहुत बढ़िया New Year गया. Completely sober. Did some work for my YouTube setup and stuff. And first Jan को भाई beat Brentford 3-1. So hot on the tails of Liverpool, man. अच्छा लग रहा है. Good start to 2025. Let's just say.
ये Gabriel Jesus is what you needed in 2025, you think? This version of him?
Yeah, man. I mean, it
तेरे को
it
लगता
gen-
है
हाँ.
बट तेरे को लगता है कि मतलब ईस्टर संडे के पहले रेजरेक्शन हो गया तो मतलब दैट इज समथिंग दैट इज अहेड ऑफ शेड्यूल आल्सो
भाई who knows man, जो भी हुआ है अच्छा ही हुआ है.
हाँ
And long may it continue because since that World Cup में जो उसको नींद इंजरी हुई थी ना, we missed his dynamism and his ability. देख, even yesterday it's not that he's just a number 9. He was dropping deep, left में खेल रहा है, right में खेल रहा है, kind of needed that dynamism. Yeah, the problem with him has always been consistency, goals, and the worst part was just injuries kept happening to him. World Cup में हुई, then another injury in a month, and then another in 2 months. Just never got a complete run of games, and धीरे धीरे just got relegated to the bench to 10-minute appearances. That would never help his confidence. And yeah, मतलब cup में he got a hat trick, and तब से तो he's been unstoppable. Like, there's this crazy stat that he scored 6 goals. His last 6 goals for Arsenal from 11 shots. His previous 6 goals came from 83 shots.
अरे
So,
बाप रे.
matlab, yeah, the guy who is basically like scored 2-3 goals in the entire calendar year before his hat trick, suddenly has now 6 from 11. So good on us कि हम luckily ऐसे form पे stumble करके जहाँ पे Gabriel Jesus इस point of the season पे contribute कर रहे हैं. We need all the bodies right now with Saka out and everything. So good, very happy, and बस long may it continue भाई, because you never really know when he falls out of form or he gets injured again.
निधि, ये हम सोच रहे थे नूनेस के साथ ऐसा हो जाए 2025 में जो जेसूस के साथ हुआ है ना, लाइक सडनली फॉर्म. वो लास्ट 3 साल से हम लोग यही उम्मीद कर रहे हैं.
यार नूनेज मतलब क्या बोले उसके बारे में नूनेज के दैट डिजर्व्स अ सेपरेट सीरीज आई गेस नॉट
what is up with Darwin Núñez?
डिफरेंट सीरीज बोला, वीडियो नहीं सीरीज. लाइक
Series.
14
Why did
एपिसोड,
Darwin Núñez do this?
हाँ
3 सीजन
डार्विन
14
नूनेज
एपिसोड है.
हाँ सीजन 2 में कभी पता चलेगा कि क्या चल रहा है उधर. बट दैट्स दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट 2025 और आर्सेनल का एक्सपेक्टेशंस. देख ये तो बहुत ही ऑब्वियस और आई विल से काउंटर प्रोडक्टिव पॉइंट हो जाएगा टू द डिस्कशन कि आर्सेनल एक्सपेक्टेड ट्रॉफी.
Yeah.
मतलब ये
sure.
तो मतलब है ही.
Hmm.
बट तेरे हिसाब से 2024 एक बार बिफोर वी गेट टू 2025 24 व्हाट डू यू थिंक वाज आर्सेनल्स बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट्स इन 2024?
Oh, I think one of the biggest achievements we've done this season, again, if you take the trophy wala thing, because we haven't really won anything, I think our form against all top 6 teams has been phenomenal. Still haven't lost in like 2 years to a top 6 team, except maybe Man City like 2 साल पहले.
लिवरपूल
उसके
से
बाद एनफील्ड पे ड्रॉ हुए हमारे.
अच्छा, वो
And
एफए कप था, सॉरी, वो
FA
एफए
Cup था,
कप.
yeah.
हाँ
So in the
हाँ.
league, haven't lost to a top 6 team in almost 2 years now. And I think we went on a crazy good run in 2024. It's just that City's run was better. हमारे और City के बीच बस एक Aston Villa की victory का ही difference था. But I think the fact that we have that level of consistency is huge. And I think that was last season, and you know what, like, Arsenal's problem now is that there was so much pressure to deliver the Premier League this season that even a draw seems like catastrophic. And fair enough, maybe that is the standard of the Premier League now. कि draw ही मतलब आपको end of the world लगता है. Because if I ask you guys, what was the last game you remember Arsenal losing? You'll have to rack your brains for like a couple of seconds and then be like, okay, you know what? Actually, Arsenal last lost a game in November in Newcastle.
न्यूकासल ना
And that was just a 1-0 loss. And then before that, it was October, which was Bournemouth. And we've lost 2 games. all season. The problem has been the draws have killed us. But मैं इसके बारे में सोच रहा था about how Arsenal's 2024 has gone. I think right now we are 6 points behind Liverpool, with Liverpool having a game in hand. But I feel we've just been on a run of such bad luck sometimes, that the doom gloom seems a little bit more exaggerated. For example, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि हम इसमें गोल मार देते उसमें. If you think about Arsenal versus Man City, where we were down to 10 men, it was 20 seconds of holding on. Literally 20 seconds separated us from 1 point and 3 points at the Etihad. अगर आप 20 सेकंड होल्ड ऑन कर लेते, वो इक्वलाइजर नहीं आता सिटी का. सेम विद फुलहम व्हिच वी ड्रू. If Martinelli wasn't offside by a toenail, and that wasn't really an advantage since he was moving back, but जो है rules है. You add just those two instances and you're suddenly talking about a 4 point difference. 4 point difference means being 2 points behind Liverpool right now, with them having a game in hand, and those are the margins we're talking about. इसमें तो मैं all the red cards I'm not even counting, क्योंकि जैसे Declan got sent off against Brighton and now that is not even a thing, delaying a restart. It is completely gone from the minds of the referees. So it just seems that in the first half of the season, a lot of things just went wrong or marginally just went against us. And now धीरे धीरे मुझे लग रहा है कि वो लक हमारी तरफ, कभी कभी होता है ना, लक just favors you. I think वो लक धीरे धीरे हमारी तरफ वापस आ रहा है. Like yesterday against Brentford, a couple of clearances just came our way. Gabriel Jesus का equalizer came because Flecken ने save किया, but वो सीधा Jesus की तरफ आया. And so these small margins which were not falling for us in the first half of the season, I feel have started falling now towards us. And we need those margins especially. So in 2024, I think top six may we've started playing well. We've continued playing well. We played all tough teams away in this part of the season. I think Anfield बचा हुआ है and Old Trafford बचा हुआ है, where we have to play, which are tough fixtures. Villa Park, North London Derby away, City away, Chelsea away. We've done all of them and we've negotiated them pretty well, I think. So, yeah, I think on form, we're still a very, very good team. Defensively, we're still a very, very good team. Yeah. So, I'm very happy with how the season has gone till now. Could have been better, but still very happy.
नहीं 2025 में मेरे को मालूम है क्या लगता है दक्ष, आर्सेनल नीड्स टू बी लिटिल मोर एग्रेसिव, लिटिल मोर फियरलेस. मेरा एक जेनरिक ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि कभी-कभी मेरे को लगता है बड़ी टीम्स के अगेंस्ट आर्सेनल सेम वे नहीं खेलता जैसे वो दूसरी टीम्स के अगेंस्ट खेलता है. डू यू थिंक दैट इज समथिंग 2025 में एड्रेस करना चाहिए?
Yeah, it's a very tough question to address because logically you'd say कि हाँ, मतलब Arsenal should go out for a dominating win at all stages. But I think
नो, गो फॉर अ विन. कभी-कभी मेरे को लगता है कि ऑब्वियसली आर्टेटा आके तो बोलेगा वी वांट टू विन, बट the play, the state of play at times tells me they're not that ambitious.
Okay. No, fair enough. That is something we all complain that I wish हम थोड़ा handbrake off करके खेलें.
हाँ.
Like तुम थोड़ा सा ठहराव कर लेते हो when you have the opportunity to probably take a risk and go for the kill. You do turn back and try to recycle possession. I completely get that. That is something I think we should definitely work on, and I think उसका सबसे बड़ा contributing factor होगा getting attacking reinforcements. Quite obviously अगर हम एक ऐसी attacking reinforcement लेंगे who we feed and we know there is a more than good enough chance कि ये बंदा score कर लेगा अगर हमने इसको dangerous position पे डाल दिया. Like sometimes if you just play the long ball to Salah, you just know something might happen, and therefore it's a gamble worth taking चाहे कोई भी team सामने हो. I think we lack that right now, and that's fair. That's a fair criticism, I'd say. But I think right now we've just built, because of the squad we have, or call it because of the coaching, we've just built ourselves to be a very hard team to beat. मतलब हारना बहुत मुश्किल कर दिया है. हाँ, अपने लिए, because of the defense and because of set pieces and all of that stuff. But you're right, attacking wise हमें एक ही चीज करनी है, because I think our defense is super solid. We just have to get reinforcements जो ऐसा situation create कर दे कि you score, and then I think we are more than capable of holding the score. चाहे 1-0 भी हो. कल भी हमने Brentford के against a team which is very good at home. Of course, they were missing a few defenders, but Brentford had like one shot the entire second half at home. So I know we are capable of locking down a team when we really, really want to. It's just about getting that handbrake off, as you say, and just go for the kill, take some risks, take some shots, and just get ahead. तो वो वाला I completely agree.
तो दक्ष मतलब 2025 में बिकॉज दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट विश लिस्ट फॉर 2025 वुड
Yeah.
यू से कि मेंटालिटी शिफ्ट की बात तू कर रहा है या फिर इट इज मतलब इट्स एन ओपन फील्ड फॉर यू कि तू बोल सकता है ट्रॉफी बोल सकता है ट्रांसफर बोल सकता है मेंटालिटी
Yeah.
में चेंज हो सकता है तो एंड हेंस इज इट ओके टू से कि तू बेसिकली यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ चेंज इन मेंटालिटी
Yeah, look, I think probably the fan base doesn't realize it as yet, but the fact that we are losing our shit over draws already shows कि Arsenal पे standards change हो गए. Of course, we have to win trophies. That goes without saying. Nobody does not want to win a trophy. Everyone wants to win it. But people forget literally 3 years ago, getting not raw dogged by Liverpool was like, oh, bach gaye. You know, like I was seeing these posts by United fans on Salah's Twitter post were saying just put your hat trick in the bag and leave us alone, bro. ऐसे वाली situation होती है like बख्श दो हमें. From that to the point where you're like, draw is not acceptable today.
So
Draw.
is this the year where that transform mentality shift तो ठीक है where वो elite mentality आ जाए like champion mentality आ जाए like we have to win now.
Yeah, look, I think one of the first changes in sort of mentality will come from a trophy, and I think this is why a trophy of any sort, even the Community Shield, is on my wish list. कि हम एक trophy जीत जाए. Yes, trophy. I think, like I always say, man, a team's belief in what they're doing will only be reinforced when they feel a medal around their neck, and not a silver, a gold medal around their neck, or a trophy in their hands. तभी belief बैठा रहेगा. So my number one wish list is getting a trophy. We are in all competitions right now. We have 4 shots at a trophy. Of course, different probabilities, man. Premier League में probability बड़ी कम है. Champions League में उससे भी कम होगी. But we have a real shot at the Carabao Cup. Of course, Newcastle is in the way, and then possibly a North London derby final or Liverpool in the final. So, real shot at Carabao Cup. A tough draw against Manchester United in the FA Cup, but we also have to deal with that. अगर आपको trophy जीतनी है मतलब Carabao में we've had a pretty easy draw, so it's perfectly balanced out if you get a tough draw in the FA Cup. 4 shots at a trophy, man. You should definitely go the distance in at least one of them because I think this team is good enough, man. Despite Saka's injury or despite all the whatever players are missing, I think we are good enough to at least make the finals. And अगर finals में पहुंच गए, then anything can happen in like April, May. So, yeah, trophy is number one list. Number two wish list is I want an good attacking signing, man. I'm sorry. This team is crying out for a proper attacker. ठीक है? Somebody who can just make it all tick. Somebody who's lethal. We have invested so beautifully in defense. हमारे पास कल बेंच पे 4 लेफ्ट बैक्स थे भाई. ठीक है? आपके गैब्रियल सलीबा मिस होते हैं, आप फिर भी एक अच्छी डिफेंस सेटअप कर सकते हो जो एक गेम खेल सकते हैं प्रॉपरली विदाउट लाइक रिजॉर्टिंग टू अकेडमी टैलेंट्स. बट वी नीड अटैकर्स बिकॉज ईदर आर अटैकर्स आर नॉट फायरिंग, जैसे मार्टिनेली कभी कभी फायर नहीं करता है, और Kai Havertz is not good enough in front of goal sometimes, or you have to overplay players like Bukayo Saka, उसका कोई बैकअप नहीं. So we need some good attacking signings. एक से काम नहीं चलेगा, but January में I'll still settle for one. Somebody who is there to transform either the number 9 position or the winger position long term, and somebody who improves us. And I'm sorry, this is not the market these days कि आपको cheap में, आपको 10 million में कोई world class attacker नहीं मिलेगा, and आपको पैसे खर्चने पड़ेंगे. So a trophy and an attacking signing. These are my top 2 wish lists for sure.
Daksh, 2025 in the current squad, if things have to happen for Arsenal, सबसे crucial player कौन है तुम्हारा apart from your obvious Saka and Odegaard? Like when the season started, I was of the opinion that Curtis Jones will be massive for us, and he has been. I said that Gakpo has to step up, and he has. So ऐसे 2025 में तेरे हिसाब से कोई ऐसा नेम है जो obvious सा नहीं है, but Arsenal को can make them successful?
I think I'd say Saka, Odegaard, Declan, Saliba, Gabriel, these all sound so obvious, man. So इनको तो mention करने का point नहीं. All of them, I think, have a huge role to play. Somebody, before I say who I think will still be massive, somebody who has been massive for us very unexpectedly, I would say, is Thomas Partey. has basically played
हाँ.
the entire season injury free and has been our best player in the midfield this season, I'd say. Has been stable, 6 पे भी खेल लिया, right back पे भी shift डाल देता है, decent था when he was against Luis Diaz. जब हम लिवरपूल को खेल रहे थे मेरी फट गई थी. To be fair, he did a decent job, man. I didn't think he was completely on toast. एक दो बार शायद से cook हो गया था, but he was fine. And yeah, Thomas Partey has really, really surprised me. So he has been an underrated player for us this season. One player I think, जो going forward will be super crucial to us is, I think, Gabriel Jesus. Not because only he is the informed striker right now, um, but he can fill multiple roles to a very, very good degree. And versatility is very important when you don't have attacking talent. Yeah, Gabriel Jesus, जैसे मैंने कहा, अभी he's chipping in with like crucial goals, but he can also play backup to Saka when we need to. He can also play on the left when we need to play games, and he's there for shutting out games also control wise. So Gabriel Jesus का skill set is actually something we don't really have in the team, and अगर वो fire करने लग जाए, 2025 could be a very good year. Look, in the last 14 games we have been unbeaten. उसमें साका के कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन, ओडेगार्ड के कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन, हैवर्ट्स के कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन, सबके कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन आ रहे हैं. बट आई थिंक अगर ये स्ट्रीक अलाइव रखनी है एंड यू वांट टू इवन स्निफ अ चांस एट द प्रीमियर लीग टाइटल, वेटिंग अगर आपने कहीं लिवरपूल ने कहीं पॉइंट्स ड्रॉप कर दिए, गैब्रियल जेसूस हैज टू स्टेप अप मैसिवली एंड ही हैज बीन स्टेपिंग अप टू बी फेयर. बस वही वाली बात है यार, consistency is the only issue with Gabriel Jesus. Can he do it on a consistent basis? अभी एक महीना शायद से हुआ होगा, less than a month to be fair, when we've seen a Gabriel Jesus good performance. Can he keep it for 2 months, 3 months until Saka is back? So he could be really, really massive. And one more player I'd say his return could be massive is Ben White. Because Julian Timber has filled in fantastically after his ACL, left back, right back, dono. But he needs a rest. And Ben White at right back, mere hisab se, is a very underrated defender of ours. Does nothing fancy, just does the job. Like almost every game, 7 on 10, 8 on 10 performance दे देगा quietly. Has a good chemistry with Odegaard and Saka. वो right side को और functional बनाने के लिए and Timber को rest देने के लिए, I think Ben White is one of those guys जो मेरे हिसाब से अच्छे से काम कर लेगा.
Nidhi, I think Nidhi, before you ask the last question, I think 2025 में the most important thing आर्सेनल के लिए है, हमेशा एक ट्वीट डालना है, आर्सेनल by how many.
I wait for that tweet, like every match day. I'm like, कब करेगा ये ट्वीट, मैं पकड़ूंगा कब इसको.
I think वो ट्वीट का वैलिडिटी अभी खत्म हो गया है. वो
चेल्सी के लिए काम कर रहा है वो.
चेल्सी के लिए काम कर रहा है. That's true.
अभी उसमें वो मतलब वो रिचार्ज का वैलिडिटी मानस अभी वो
I think the reason it didn't work this week now is because Manas actually tweeted it twice. So in the original one, he said Chelsea and Arsenal by how many, and then he asked again Arsenal by how many.
Yeah, because मेरे को लगा सेम डे पे था, but नहीं था.
वही
मैजिक पावर एक ही टाइम काम करता है.
वो कैंसिल कर दिया ना.
तो बोलता है ना twice as much is not twice as good. तो वही था. But that's last question before we end it.
Yeah.
Arsenal and Europe. A match, it's not a match made yet, but मतलब
it's a long distance relationship.
हाँ, relationship भी क्या है?
Long distance में भी कभी कुछ मजा आ जाता है.
मतलब 2025 में तेरा expectation क्या है? मतलब because you will have अगले दिसंबर में भी you will be somewhere in Europe and
Ireland.
But अभी तो चल ही रहा है. So what is your expectation Europe में from Arsenal?
Look, I think immediate expectation is to definitely finish as high as possible in the top 8. अगर हमने top 3 crack कर लिया in that UCL table, I think it sets us up for a good number of draws going forward. Of course, इस season कुछ अच्छी teams भी bottom के पास है. It's a good habit to have, like this season we actually played some really tough teams, man. Inter, Atalanta, PSG. ठीक है, हमने PSG को हरा दिया, एटलांटा के साथ ड्रॉ कर लिया और इंटर से हम एक पेनल्टी पे हार गए. सो आई एम quite happy with how this Champions League campaign has turned out. If we just wrap it up in top 3, जैसे लिवरपूल ने टॉप स्पॉट pretty much guarantee ही कर लिया, one more win against Zagreb and I think we should grab that second, third spot से लेके fifth spot तक हो जाएगा. I want at least a semi-final appearance. I think. I don't think हमारी उससे भी ज़्यादा हैसियत है. Need to build pedigree, and that unfortunately you can't really fast track. You can have a crazy finals run जैसे last time मैंने कभी Dortmund की देख ली थी, or like a couple or 2-3 years ago I think Napoli reached the semis or something. So I'd say yeah. So I'd say a run like that where we at least head to the Champions League semi-finals would be absolutely massive, because that means you have 2 rounds of knockout football under your belt, and that is something we need to negotiate. Last season, we failed to negotiate. We barely scraped past Porto in the round of 16. We went through on penalty shootouts, and then Bayern was just too good for us. Would be nice to actually get through to two knockout phases यार, and semis में जाके जब थोड़ा pressure भी build होगा, वो भी important होगा.
आर्सेनल लिवरपूल मजा आ जाएगा चैंपियंस लीग में अगर हो गया तो, क्या मजा आएगा.
Telling you, man, I'm telling you, I think मेरी gut feeling है, we'll obviously play once in the league at Anfield. I think we'll play the Carabao final also, and I think we'll meet in the Champions League sometime.
Too much Arsenal.
I know, man. I know. I think it's destined, bro. It's not City pool anymore. It's Ars pool.
Ars pool. Ars pool.
Yeah, I think Ars pool. हाँ, ये I think बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं we are destined to meet. पता नहीं क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. But anyway, this was Arsenal की 2025 की expectations. A for Arsenal is edging closer and closer to 25.
Football with Daksh.
निधि भाई का पुराना याद आ गया.
निधि भाई is living in 2024.
मेरा 2024 का भी graduation हुआ नहीं है. Football with Daksh is edging closer to 25K subscribers as soon as possible. तो इसको hit करो subscribe बटन को जल्दी से जल्दी. और अगर अभी तक ये वीडियो लाइक नहीं किया है तो लाइक करो और चैनल को करो सब्सक्राइब. बाकी आपसे जल्दी मिलेंगे. Take care of yourselves. Happy New Year once again. And remember one thing, which is up the Reds.
You guys.
See you.